Hey everybody, Cody Barnett, Bodyworks Physical Therapy and Concussion Center, and I wanted to tell you about the Vyper roller. This is the newest, latest, and greatest. It's called the Vyper 3. We were actually the first clinic in Wichita and in Kansas, in fact, to get the original Vyper, which has now been out for several years. And this is the newest iteration called the Vyper 3. And the cool thing about this foam roller, it's different than any other foam roller in that it vibrates. It's got 3 different speeds, depending on how aggressive you want it to be. And it's just amazing. It's used a lot by professional athletes, a lot of our weekend warriors. It's fantastic for working out knots in your muscles, working out a stiff lower back, working out a stiff hip, and so forth. And it's just really slick. So we're going to demonstrate that for you. I'm going to start out on the slowest speed, and you can, I don't know if you can catch that. You can kind of see maybe what that looks like, but this just feels fantastic. So for example, sore hamstrings, you can get down in there, work that out. If you have a problem, IT band, you can get the IT band, catch that. Calf muscles, you can work out, which if you're like me, maybe you get some cramps in the middle of the night. This is fantastic for helping that stuff out. And then you can also use it on your back, and it works fantastic to be through there, so you can catch lower back, middle back, and really just feels amazing. I use one of these almost every day. So if you're looking for something, help work out some stiff knots, sore muscles, that sort of thing, recover faster, Vyper 3 is a great way to go. We've got these here at the office. Feel free to call us 316-558-8808 or contact us through the website, which is bodyworxphysicaltherapy.net. And until next time, we'll see you later.